at the Streamer Awards.
Dude, if you have like JHB
I'm nominated for Best Variety Streamer.
Let's go Toast.
And Best Strategy Streamer.
Yeah, he plays those games all the time still.
That's right, your boy Disguised Toast was actually nominated for 2 awards at the recent Streamer Award show. They rented out this theater in Hollywood, California, where it's at 200 of the top streamers in the world, and I of course was in attendance on the off chance that I won this award. There was really high production. When I walked in, I was really impressed. They had a red carpet. I got interviewed by this guy called Nim, who I've known for a while. He was also from Hearthstone.
Welcome everybody, ladies and gentlemen, to the Streamer Awards. I am standing here on the red carpet. I'm going to introduce you like this. Ha! This guy's Toast. Hello, how you doing, man? You look dapper.
Thank you so much. Nice to see you, man.
In case you guys don't know, we both sort of got started in Hearthstone, and you were just a lot more successful than me. What was your secret?
Well, I was inspired by the Kappa songs and the Nim songs. It was really helpful to play during the Hearthstone streams.
Technically, your success kind of is my success then.
Yeah.
So, what are you looking forward to the most in the show? Anyone you're looking forward to meeting?
No one really. Looking forward to winning.
You're nominated in strategy and variety, yes? And which one do you think you have the best shot at winning?
Between the two, I think variety. Well, I stream games and I stream TV shows. Not a lot of people have that much variety. They just stick to games. It was a lot of fun. Everyone was dressed up to the nines. As you can see here, all of my beautiful friends looking spiffy. I myself decided to reuse my outfit from the Arcane premiere because I paid $7,000 for this outfit, and damn it, I'm gonna wear it more than once. I'm allowed to reuse my outfit because society has deemed it acceptable for me, but not for women. I'm very hungry. I saw someone with a plate. So the existence of food is confirmed. I'm looking for food. Oh wait, over here, we found it. This is definitely not enough to feed all the streamers. So we need to get all the food now. We need to get it all. I saw someone with a burger and there's no burger here because the burgers are out. I got a burger with hummus and bread and japchae. Oh, what are you nominated for, Lily?
Am I in this vlog?
Yeah.
I'm nominated for music and League of Legends.
How about you, Scar?
It doesn't matter because I'm not going to win any of them.
But Scar was nominated for Legacy, right?
Like 3 different things.
Wow. What are you nominated for?
Strategy.
Wow. Stop recording. You're zooming in.
Live from the Fonda Theater in Hollywood, it's the inaugural Streamer Awards. Please welcome your host, Cutie Cinderella and Maya.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Thank you so much for coming. This is insane. I'm going to throw up.
She's gonna throw up. Oh, Maya.
So the awards was going on, and this was fan voted, and I, Disguised Toast, have some of the most dedicated, loyal, handsome, beautiful viewers in the world that I knew was gonna vote for me, even though I never talked about this once at any point, because I don't want to ask for votes. I want you guys to know to vote for me, despite having zero knowledge that this award was going on. That is the expectations I have of all of you. So my category came around.
Using their strategic minds and sharp acuity, these streamers somehow found a way to get more than 10 viewers while playing TFT.
True, but sometimes it still hurts.
Here to present the award for Best Strategy Game Streamer is Myung.
I found out that my friend Mi Young was the one presenting the award, and that kind of clued me in that I was probably gonna win. I hope. It would be really weird for them to ask one of my close friends to present the award to one of the others. My co-strategy nominees were Northern Lion, plays a lot of Super Auto Pets, is really funny. I've seen some of his content. We're from the same hometown in Canada. Yeah, that's cool. Box, very smart TFT streamer, and Skara. I don't know him too well, but I think he also plays a little bit of TFT. Honestly, the award could have gone to any of us. But this was my acceptance speech once I completely obliterated the competition.
And the winner is Disguised Toast.
best you do at these awards. You always give a hug to the presenter, like thank you. Like I've seen the Oscars. You can pinpoint the exact moment my heart broke in two. Right about here, with my arms outstretched and the realization that she turned around hit me.
Oh, guys, my favorite part, best part of the show, guys. When everyone's cheering for him, goes in for the.
Don't do it.
Oh man, that was funny.
It's alright, not a lot of people saw it, only like 300,000 people.
Wow. I'm really surprised. I didn't know watching Naruto counted as a strategy game. But you guys all know who I am, so I wanted to take a moment and highlight the accomplishments of my fellow nominees. The woody bald man from Canada, Northern Lion, popularizing Super Auto Pets, Skara, the cornerstone of TFT and League of Legends, and VoxBox, who I personally draw a lot of inspiration from. So I'm honored to share this award with all of you. Thank you.
And yeah, I thought about the speech for a while beforehand. I never know whether or not to say something genuine or something mean or funny. I kind of went for a mix of each, and if I had more time, I would have shouted out all the strategy streamers out there. I know it's not easy being the nerds of the nerds. Like, my god, we all play video games for a living, and somehow strategy gamers are bullied for being nerds. Come on, we're all nerds here. So there's a great opportunity to shout out all the strategy streamers, like the Hafus, the Dog Dogs, the K3 Sojus, 5UP, the Crips, the people that I look up to when I play my strategy games. People that push me to get a bigger and bigger IQ to stay one step ahead of the competition. So a big shout out to all of them. But let the record show that undisputedly I am the best strategy game streamer. I'm sorry, I know that sounds egotistical, but a lot of strategy gamers suffer from being boring. If there's one thing I'm not, it's boring. Man, do I put on a good show. So well deserved, if I do say so myself. To the rest of the nominees, maybe next year, but unlikely because I'm still gonna be around for at least one more year.
Congratulations. As Disguised Toast walked off stage, all we heard was, that was so cute.
And overall, it was a really fun event. Some of my other friends won awards too. Lily Pichu won the award for Best Music Streamer.
And the winner is Lily Pichu. What do I say? Thank you so much. Music is a really underrated category in Twitch. You should check out the other nominees. They're all just as talented, and there are a lot of other talented people out there. YouTube.com/comfybeats. Thank you so much.
Well deserved. And Miss Pokimane won the Legacy Award for all her contribution in general. I know a lot of gamers look up to her. I'm trying to not use the word female that much these days because it sounds so sterile, but you know, a lot of girl gamers look up to her, and guy gamers, because she is very good at the game she plays. There was one other award, Best Content Org. I think the nominees were OTK, OTV, and 100 Thieves. I think NRG was also in there, but I'm pretty sure they just needed a fourth nominee, and they're like, wow, I guess NRG, I don't know. OTK ended up winning, which I completely understand because this is the Stream Awards, not the YouTube Awards. 100 Thieves didn't win because this is not the clothing brand awards. Well-deserved win by OTK. Maybe next year OTV can win, but congratulations to them.
The post-award show dinner.
Oh, here I am, back in my apartment. I was the recipient of the Best Strategy Streamer Award, so that's pretty cool. I don't stream a lot of strategy games these days, but when I think about the best strategy streamer that's ever lived on Twitch, you can only say Disguised Toast, let's be honest. So, well deserved, I would say. I think every time I go to these events, I'm always both very motivated and embarrassed because a lot of times these streamers I really like would come up to me and say, hey, Toast, I love your content, I watch a lot of it, and I would be like, I'm so sorry that you have to see me in my natural habitat because normally I'm very cringe, and had I known you were watching, I would not have been cringe, but thank you for the nice words. So, no, that was fun. Woo! So overall, wonderful night. A lot of big winners. Looking forward to the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this little look into this industry event where we give ourselves a pat on the back. And you can, of course, congratulate me in the comments below and compliment me on my giant, massive brain. Thank you. Thank you.
This guy's toast.
Woo! Sheesh! Get shit on, Albert! Get shit on, Scara! Northern Lion GG's.